What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a tool review from Giraffe Tools. This is their Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro with a 100-foot hose. Now, if you're anything like me, you like to take care of your vehicles on your own. And I want to go ahead and wash my truck right now because it's absolutely been filthy and it definitely needs a wash. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the Grandfalls pressure washer. We're going to see what it comes with, and then we're going to go ahead and put it to the test and wash this bad boy and see how well it performs and see if it's worth it for you to pick up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're looking at right now is the packaging from Giraffe Tools. Very nice packaging. Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro with a 100-foot auto retract hose. So let me go ahead and unbox this so I can show you all its contents inside. All right, so here we have all its contents laid out. And I'm going to show you everything that comes with. It does come with this foam cannon. It's a small size, but it does have a brass fitting nozzle with stainless steel, and it's constructed pretty well. It also comes with the 4 tips. A 25 degree, a 40 degree, a 15, and a 0, and they are storable on the gun itself. As you can see, the gun here, you store the tips right here. Now this is a 2-piece. It comes apart right here. I already screwed it apart. Screw the holes right here. The handle has some nice play, and it is lockable like that, so you don't accidentally press it. And it comes with the hardware needed to mount the wall bracket and the hose to connect to the pressure washer and your water source. Now let's take a closer look at the pressure washer itself. Now this thing is well built. It has some heft to it. This is the wall mount. You have your 15 amp power here with a surge protector. You have a section here for the gun. The foam cannon stores right here. You have your connection here for the water hose. You have the retractable hose, which is fantastic. 100 foot. It doesn't get better than that. This is your off and on switch here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and wash and put this baby to work. So even when it's mounted on your garage wall, the footprint itself is relatively small, where it does not take too much room, where it's gonna affect your storage situation in your garage. I like to mount mine next to the garage door here so I can retract the hose easily. Stainless steel, nothing the Grandfalls can handle. It's looking super clean and amazing. So what we're looking at is my driveway, and as you can see, it's filthy with tire marks and everything. So what we're going to use is 15-degree nozzle here, and we're going to go ahead and initially clean it, and then we're going to use the 0-degree one so we can get the tougher parts out. That's the one that shoots like a laser beam. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you can clearly see how well this pressure washer works with patios, sidewalks, or anything like that. I use the 0-degree nozzle to get really deep into the concrete so I can get all those tire stains and oil stains out. And then the 15-degree nozzle does a very nice thorough clean. As you can see, you can tell definitely the difference between what's clean and what's not. It's looking fantastic. Look how clean it is. No tire marks or anything no more. Looking very, very clean. Let me show you how far this thing goes, man. The convenience of this is absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Look how far this thing goes. Look at this. Look how far that is. I can even go around my house. I went all around my house and I still have all that hose to go. And then let's just go retract it, put it back together. Look how easy it goes back. Almost knocked you out. All right, so there we have it. Overall, I'm super impressed with the performance of this Grandfalls pressure washer. Let me give you some quick specs here. So it's about 3,700 PSI, and you can really feel the power when you go ahead and press it. The gun really kicks, which is good. It's not too noisy, so it's very, for an electric pressure washer, it's not noisy at all, anywhere from 78 to 80 decibels, which is pretty good. The retractable hose, 100 feet, it's plenty enough for you to mount this in the garage, clean the driveway, clean your patio, and clean your vehicle, go around your whole vehicle, which is absolutely fantastic. And not to mention that retractable hose is just, when you're done, you pull back and it just goes back in place, which is phenomenal. Out of the box is super easy to set up. There's relatively no assembly required except for you just mounting the mount where you want it, so you can hang this bad boy on there. I think it does about 1.2 gallons per minute, if I'm not mistaken. Let me clarify that for you here, so I'm not talking out of my butt. Yeah, so the max flow, it's about 1.6 gallons per minute, and it's rated about 1.2 gallons per minute. The max PSI is 3,700 PSI. So it is a 15 amp, which should be relatively similar to any home pressure washer, electric pressure washer you have. The hose is 1/2 inch, as you can see, and 100 feet. With that being said, I am genuinely surprised by the performance of this pressure washer. It is absolutely amazing on how well it cleans and how fast it is. It's super simple to set up out of the box. There's absolutely no assembly needed, and it does what you need it to do. If you needed to clean your driveway, clean your patio furniture, and clean your vehicles, there's nothing that this pressure washer cannot handle. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. A link to this will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself. Strongly recommended. All right, allow me to butt in here real quick. In previous years, Giraffe's Tools has offered roughly 20% off the Pressure Washer Pro on Black Friday. With my discount code, you can save up to 30%. This year, Black Friday's deals will go live after November 10th. So be sure to check out Giraffe's Tools' official website for the biggest savings of the year. You don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.